Welcome to Lydia's Travel Diaries. So I will be down here a whole month in Universal Studios for HHN Halloween Horror Nights, as well as I'll be doing a Disney cruise and visiting Disney for the spooky season. So let me know in the comments, what would you like to see? What would tips you like? And so forth. So I'll be showing you around HHN and recording more, so stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe as I have more videos for you.